This is the BBC Live programme. Here is the news.
Here is the second part of a two-part, 2-minute history of Bridge Farm. We ended part 1 in 1994, with Bridge Farm's tenants, Pat and Tony Archer, having committed to taking their enterprise organic. We now roll forward a few years. In 1992, Bridge Farm first opened a shop to sell their organic produce direct to the public. Also, in 1992, Pat and Tony were offered the freehold of the farm for £160,000, but turned down the chance to buy it. They were given first refusal again when the estate was sold in 1997, and again decided not to go ahead, as Pat was determined to expand the dairy operation, although employing Jason to do the necessary building work was perhaps not her best decision. That expansion also put paid to the shop. A couple of years later, however, they found some vacant premises in Borchester, which they turned into Ambridge Organics, managed by Helen. In 2008, Pat and Tony finally bought the freehold, after having had to deal with Matt Crawford, a major shareholder in the freeholder, Borchester Land, attempting to convert the barn that they used for packing vegetable boxes into a 4-bedroomed house. But soon after that, they ran into trouble with the Environment Agency, who traced pollution in Hayden Brook to a collapsed drain in the Bridge Farm yard. This was when Helen persuaded her parents to replace the existing drainage with a series of reed beds and lagoons, which would naturally clean grey water from the farm so that it could flow into the Am, while at the same time attracting wildlife to the farm.